Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Taufikur Rahman dari University of Profesor Dr. Mustopo Bragama, Jalan Hang Lekir 1, nomor 8, Jakarta Pusat. Abstraction. The research was conducted to explore the significance of public service policy implemented through digital signature form of Suku Dinas Kependudukan and Catatan Sipil Jakarta Timur. In order to hugely grasp the significance, this research was conducted using explanatory inductive approach to analyze data collected through interview, documentation, and observation and analysis using data reduction and forming conclusion. The result exhibit a significant effectiveness of digital service implementation in Suku Dinas Kependudukan and Pencatatan Sipil Jakarta Timur, yet shortcoming of implementation connected to the infrastructure and personnel still exist. Major obstacles include the network and internet community and server error. Keyword: public policy, public service, digital signature, Suku Dinas Pencatatan Sipil. Introduction. The adoption of the Ministry of Home Affairs Regulation Number 7/1990, Permendag Number 7/1919 regarding online population administration service brought forward various impacts, including the development of information technology in service in government agency, especially the South Jakarta Population and Civil Registration Sub-Department. The development of information technology promotes a revolution of administrative transition for conventional work system to a paperless base in the digital era, which might increase work effectiveness. In government agency, this change is marked by the shift for traditional government essential to the paper-based government agency. This change made by the shift from traditional government essential to paper-based administration toward a government and approach using information technology in order to improve relation between in government and other paper, commonly known as digital bureaucracy. Literature study. Public policy. Policy is government instrument not only in the science of government, which only concern to the state apparatus, but also the government of public resources. Policy are essential decision or choice of action that directly regulate the management and distribution and natural, financial, and human resource for the public interest. 2. Public service. According to Kotler, 1908, number 556, service any action or activity that one party can offer to another, which is essentially intangible and doesn't not result in any ownership, while Munir 28 started the service sales of activities that take place regularly and continuously, covering all people life in society. Sinambela 28 and 60 suggest the service is any activity that proves profitable in the group or entity and offer stratification even though the results are not tied to a physical product. This shows that service is related to the inner stratification of the reception of to the service. 3. Bureaucracy and digitalization. The recent development in Indonesia government observed an increase in digital-based bureaucracy implementation both at central, regional, and local levels. Many dimensions related to bureaucratic activity and public service have been digitized in order to provide better access and service. Yunus and Jumhur 2018. Actually, almost all local government in Indonesia have started to implement digital bureaucracies, but several religions have emerged as reference because of the quality of their digital bureaucracy, which can be said to be better with infrastructure factor that are more support in accelerating the implementation of digital bureaucracy. Among them is Jakarta. Research method. The research was carried out of the Sudin Dukcapil Jakarta Timur from June to August 2021. Qualitative research method were used in this study to understand the phenomena of was experienced by research subject holistically. For example, behavior, perception, motivation, and action. Meleong 2018 134. This qualitative research can also be interpreted as series of research activity that develop an inductive mindset in drawing conclusion from general digital bureaucratic implementation problem. Thus, the study seeks to obtain a complete picture of a specific problem. The study used the descriptive approach by describing and interpreting and result of data collection and examining a variable to get broader picture related to the implementation of digital-based service policy in the Sudin Jakarta Timur. Analyze digital service policy effectiveness. According to Ansham and Ramungkuti 2018, due to the natural public service effectiveness can be considered not only based on the qualities provided individually by use but also on their social interest. The social interest of public service is related to the government's for guaranteeing the basic right of citizens. Challenge to the implementation. Based on the result of the analysis and observing at the indicator utilized, Sudin Dukcapil Jakarta Timur has made progress in improving the quality of public service, one which is implementing digital bureaucracy through the innovating implementation of civil registration service and digital population data. Conclusion based on the research, there are several conclusions regarding the effectiveness of the implementation of digital service policy. The implementation of digital public policy is somewhat effective in increasing the quality of work but within the organization and improving public service. It also something challenging, but challengers are knowledge which may bumper the service such looks like and fund to the procure more sure infrastructure and hearing IT security specialists. The availability of the digital service is normally table, lead to the sporadic downtimes and server error which singly hamper the service and prolong the time required to process the data. When it's stable, the service can be considered fast and better if compared to before the implementation. The reference is make be to the read about to the player. Demikian, terima kasih presentasi dari Taufikur Rahman dari Universitas Profesor Dr. Mustopo Bragama. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.